Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Imagine getting cut off by a cop. I wonder what would happen if the roles were reversed. I have a truck, so move out the way.
The moron class. To quote, solve your problems, fucking idiot.
I wonder what's going on here. Maybe just get in the right lane the first time, mate.
What a fucking idiot. What the fuck is this shit?
I love Teslas.
Defensive phase now, possibly offensive in the future. Mr. Miller, thanks so much.
Thank you.
That's Christopher Miller of the Financial Times. And that's up first for this Friday, February.
Okay, the light wasn't even yellow for that driver. Why is he still trying to make the turn? Bad drivers never miss their exit. This Tesla was tailgating this truck and they both ran a red light, but the truck driver decided to brake check in the middle of the intersection.
Idiots! That's what you get for running red lights, you moron.
What car is that? Wow, just wow. At least slow down a bit before trying to pass by a family. This van took his time turning out. Oh, I didn't know that was a turn. Now that's serious. This driver was super impatient and tried multiple times to pass these drivers.
That particular worry hasn't changed. It still exists. It's still potentially dangerous. As if to understand.
A few moments later.
Nervous. You don't know me. Not really. Don't know what I'm capable of doing. Charlie eyes him from the other side of the car. His expression reveals nothing. It's just a blank slate facing an open road. She hates how unreadable he is. So maddeningly opaque. Yet she's jealous, too. She longs to know how he does it. How it seems so easy for him to...
The driver behind the truck must have been very surprised, to say the least. Awkward. The light was red forever. How did he still almost run it? The blue car purposely appears to be trying to block the car from coming out. Why? I don't know. checked his shoulder after running the light. Genius. Bad drivers must be the best Ubers. A pursuit that ended badly for this biker.
A few moments later. How do you even make such a turn? This driver literally either fell asleep or seriously dislikes police cars. If you can't beat them, literally beat them with your car. A light tap on the gas, honey. You got this. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.